Just look at my eyebrows. Oh my god, I've got way too much hair. It's not only my eyebrows, I've got way too much hair everywhere. And honestly, life has a way of making you grateful for the things that you keep taking for granted, especially the little things. Like, I would never consciously choose to be grateful for the fact that, oh my god, I can go out and get my eyebrows done anytime I want. But now, living here when I do not get to go to the parlor on my own, I am grateful for it. I would never be grateful for the fact that, you know what, I can wear a short dress whenever I want. But now I have to literally layer my dress with underskirt so that it's not small enough. I just wish that life was more kinder in teaching these lessons. Sometimes I feel like life is just so harsh. But we are brave soldiers of God. We can handle whatever life throws at us, even if it is tough. And we have handled in the past so many, oh my God, if I were to start mine, sexual abuse, disassociation, being surrounded by toxic people, constantly being put down on a day-to-day basis, all these things, all the childhood, it was a fucking war zone. I handled that. So you know what, I can handle this eyebrows and more hair on my body for few more days, since I'm in village. And dear God, I would really appreciate you if you bless me with the sources of income that utilizes my natural talents, and I just get to be me. Just pay me to exist. I get paid to be exist. Yeah, that's what I want. Anyway, God will do its magic in its own time, I know. But right now, I want to talk to you about my magic paintings. Some of my magic paintings will make you so much confident, unapologetic. Some of my magic paintings will push you in the direction of your dreams. Like, you will literally find yourself taking actions that you thought that you will never take before. And these two are my personal favorites. One of them will make you so much more peaceful and bring self-loving energies, while other one will bring the guidance from the higher power. It is said that you gotta be grateful in advance for what you want. So this one says, thank you God, thank you Mother Earth for guiding me, for leading me. Every magic painting of mine has its unique power. You gotta read about them. Link is in the bio. Only good things happen when you bring them into your life. I have fridge magnets and the canvas prints of it. I cannot wait to